What is up, boys? How's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Rush, back at it again. Tonight we are going to go ahead and put my 2017 Challenger SRT 392 up against that BMW in front of me. It is a M235i. He says he has catless downpipes and an exhaust, but he's not tuned. I'm not sure. I've never ran an M235i, but I know they're very light cars, like 3,500 pounds or so, and they make about close to, I think, in the 300s, horsepower, and I think around there in torque. So if you don't know, my car has a Hellcat airbox and a mid-muffler delete, so it's pretty much stock. Apart from that, just those two things are done to it, and we're gonna see how it does. I think he wants to do 40 rolls. That's what the best rolls for him are. So yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. Here we go. What roll? What? 50? What is it? Okay, 50, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Try to run with them. Hey, yo, how'd you do?
That was good.
Yeah?
I gapped it, bro. Like,
all right.
dig.
What?
Dig.
All right. I'm gonna do a dig. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. He did the ricer flyby.
Easy money, baby.
Ready?
Easy money.
You want to run? Me and you.
Huh?
Me and you.
Go.
All right. Ready? Good shit. All right. So that last run was against the Camaro SS. He's pretty quick, man. He's no slouch. So aside, we still took the W though. You know, I had it by half a car, I'd say. But overall, some solid shit. So that's gonna go ahead and end those runs. So we did like 3 runs against the M35 or M235i and 1 dig. He wanted to do a dig. The SRT got all of them. And then we did also, where's this guy going? Hey, where you going?
I got class in the morning. I gotta head home.
All right, let's just go to the gas station and finish up the video real quick. I got class in the morning. I gotta head out. You have how do you have class when everyone's on the coronavirus? Oh man, I think he got gapped a little too hard. But I'm just kidding. No, I mean, he might have online classes or something. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and head to a gas station just to kind of wrap up everything here, kind of discuss the runs that we had, and we'll be on our way. So here we go. All right, guys, so we just pulled out of Mexico. Let's go ahead and talk about the races. All right, here we go. What is it? All right. Damn, that's loud. Sheesh. Yeah. Alrighty, guys, so we're just pulling out of Mexico now. And we just kind of got our runs in real quick. Good, fun runs. I ran the BMW, and then we also got on a run in with the Camaro before we came out of Mexico. What do you think?
Doesn't keep up that great, but I'll be back once it's tuned.
Once it's tuned, you think that's gonna make the difference?
Yeah, it'll pick up.
Yeah. What did we do? Like 340s?
A few 40s.
And then we
dig,
did and a dig.
50.
We did a 50.
Right,
Okay.
I think I did a 50 with him.
Okay. So yeah, I think the SRT has it on this one, but at the same time, he's not tuned. So maybe once you have it tuned, it'll make a difference. You'll get some better fueling in there and stuff like that. How about the dig though? The dig was pretty funny.
Dig?
I thought you were gonna get me for sure.
It's quick from a dig.
Yeah.
But I just don't have the same top end because I don't have the same power.
Yeah.
100 horsepower less than both of you guys.
Gotcha. Yeah. So overall, fun runs. I mean, kind of what I expected. The Mopar is just a torque monster. It has a lot of torque. I mean, did you see how it
hit and pulls quick?
Yeah, off the head it gets moving. But from the dig, I was surprised it even actually kind of like gave you a run for your money, I'd say.
Yeah, it's
it
not
definitely,
too bad from a dig.
yeah, it did pretty good. So anyways, those were the runs. Yeah, man, thanks for running it. And once you get some more mods, I guess, hit me back up and we'll see how it kind of stacks up. So there you guys have it. 2017 Challenger SRT 392 stock with just a Hellcat airbox and a mid-muffler delete up against a 2016 M235i, 8-speed as well. Both cars are 8-speed automatics. So we did one run against the Camaro. What did we do, a 40 or a 50?
We did one at 40 and one at 20 and one at 50.
No, we only did me and you.
Oh, me and you?
Yeah,
me and you, it was from 40.
So we did one kind of pull against the Camaro, and that was from a 40 roll. I think I had you by like half a car. You were like half a car next to me for the majority of the whole run, pretty much.
Yeah, probably. We'll see. I didn't see the videos, but like, yeah.
So
you had me half a car. Yeah.
Okay, I mean, if you saw different, you can tell me. It's cool.
Yeah.
What did you think?
I think we run it up together. Like we were almost like in the same speed.
Yeah, but I was half a car in front of you.
You're talking about this one, or you're talking about the one that we did before?
No, the one that we just did,
We
bro.
just did?
Yeah. The run that we just did right now.
Oh yeah. You always have a car in front of me.
But overall, fun runs. 3 cars that you guys see here. Chill owners, you know, no drama. Just some friendly races between all of them. And once they're either modded or I'm modded or something, we can always rerun and see where it goes. So yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed tonight's video. If you did, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. It's your boy Rush. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.